Let's explore on how to set up Venmo for business. So let's begin. So when we click on the get a business profile, you will see three options, but if you are already logged in, you won't be seeing these window right here. So basically when you click on business, what will happen is, as you can see, there's an information here below that there are no setup fees, no monthly fees. You pay a low transaction fee of 1.9%, and you can simply cancel anytime, and fees are subject to change. And all you're gonna do is click this button right here, get started, and what will happen is you need to enter your phone number because Venmo will check you a code so they can confirm it's you. But once again, if you are already logged in, you don't necessarily need to do that. What will happen is you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. All right, so your interface might be different from what I have because I don't have an account yet here in Venmo. And once again, if you are new to Venmo, you need to create a business profile. But if you have already a personal Venmo account, all you're gonna do is go to the Me tab and look for the plus create business profile option in the drop down menu near the top of your screen, and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, anyone can create a business profile here. It's built for individuals or sole proprietors, association, clubs, and registered business, because they allow Venmo users to create a separate Venmo profile link to their account to accept payments for goods and services. All right. So, for example, floral design. That's gonna be your Venmo business profile. You have your phone number here, your email address, website, if any. You can just link them up, and you're gonna create some short description about your business. All right. Now, the thing is, if you already created your business profile, the users can easily access your account by just pressing the @ sign, and then they'll be able to check your business. It would increase visibility for your business in the Venmo feed. And yeah, you have the ability to generate referrals among socially engaged Venmo users. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.